Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your USDt on the Binance app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you can simply find the USDt on your home screen just like this. Or you can simply tap onto the search bar and type USDt and search for it. After searching for it, simply tap onto one USDt that you want to sell, just like this. Now you can see all the details about the USDt right here. Now to sell it, simply tap onto sell button right here. After tapping on it, you can see all of the analysis, and after doing the analysis, you can simply sell the USDt. And that's it. This is how you can sell your USDt on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.